What's up guys, PopUp101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Darksaber activation script so you too can activate any weapon you want with sounds and animations. So let's get started. Step 1. You want to create a empty under the parent with the item definition. And it needs to be named Stable Objects. It needs to be named this exactly or it will not work, because of how it's referenced in the script. Step 2. What you want to do is add in everything that you want to spawn. So for me, it is the mesh and the colliders of the blade. Step 3. You want to create 3 new empties with an audio source on all of them. Duplicate it 3 times. Rename it on sound, idle sound, and off sound. Again, name it exactly like these. Now, you need to find your sounds by yourself, but for this blade, this Halo Energy blade, I already have the sound, so I will drag on the audio clip for the on sound, the audio clip for the off sound, and for the idle sound, what I'm going to do is drag it in and turn loop to on, because I want it to play continuously and not only play one time. I want it to do more than on, more than off. I want it to keep playing continuously. After adding those in, what you want to do is go to the parent with the item definition, go to custom references. If it looks like this, just hit the triangle on the side. Change it to 3. Now again, the name needs to be typed exactly like this. So on sound, idle sound, and off sound. Lowercase first letter, capitalize S. Now we simply drag in our on sound to on sound, idle sound to idle sound, and off sound to off sound. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to make the animations, but I will show you how and where to add them in. So what you need to do is go to add component, type in animation. For our weapon, once you click on it, it says that we currently have no animations. So what you do is, with the animations you've already made, you drag in the on animation, the one that's named activate. It needs to be named activate exactly like this, and change the size to 2. Drag in your deactivate named exactly like this. You turn off play automatically. Now what you want to do is go into activate, click on the 3 dots, select debug, make sure legacy is checked on for both of these. Make sure that the wrap mode for both is default. And that is how you set up the animations. To see that the animations are actually working, let's click on our model, go to animation, or if that's not already there for you, click on the 3 right there, go to add tab, animation, and then this window will pop up. So from here, we have our activate, and we've dragged them both in so we can choose. Our activate starts off with it being unactivated, and it will grow into that. Deactivate starts with it being activated, and deactivates it. And that is it for Unity, guys. So now, just like always, create an addressable group, set it to default, add in your weapon and your icon, build it. Now after having done that, what we're going to want to do is go to streaming assets mods, open up our our energy sword Jason and open up our dark saber. Either dark saber works. All you need to do is open up the Jason and make sure that you grab the one that says dark saber activation.ds activation. It needs to be this one, and it cannot be the one that says return for the dark saber that returns. This one does not have the return function. So all you do is under modules, you copy and paste it in. Make sure that there's a comma there. Make sure there's no comma there. You save it. And now, when your weapon is put in game, what will happen is when you press the spell button or the alt button, depending on what controller you have, what VR system you have, it will activate with your on sound. While it plays your activate, while it's activated, it will be playing the idle sound. And when you press the alt or spell button again, it will deactivate and the idle sound will turn off. That's it, guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. As you know, I have daily streams 5 to 6 days a week. I post tutorials like this constantly, so make sure to keep up with the channel. If you have not checked out my Patreon already, it will be in a link in the description where you can see tutorial videos, Unity packages, custom stuff that I only allow my patrons to see. So as long as you become a patron, then you get access to a wide variety of things. So thanks for watching.